To set a lock screen password on your Redmi Note 15 Pro, you want to go into Settings. Under Settings, you want to scroll down to Fingerprints, Face Data, and Screen Lock. Tap on that, and then tap on Screen Lock. Now, of course, you can choose pattern, pin, or password as your lock screen password, depending on what you like using. So for me, that's going to be pattern. So I'm going to choose that. You can choose any that you want. And then it says, remember your password. I'm going to remember your screen lock. If you forget it, you'll have to erase all data on your device. So got it. So now time for me to set my pattern. So I'm going to choose a simple one just because I'm making this tutorial, but you want to choose something that's not easily guessable. And then you'll need to re-enter your password before you can tap on confirm. Now, you might be prompted to add fingerprint. You could if you wanted to, but for me, I'm just going to cancel that and remain only with screen lock. Now, when you see screen lock on, it means your phone is now secured with a screen lock password. Okay, and if you put in the correct password, you're allowed into the phone. Thanks for watching and good luck.